Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here again. In this video we will be making ginger oil. It has insane medicinal properties that can treat a variety of illness, especially cough and sore throat. But did you know that ginger actually has great benefits for the hair? Stay with me to the end of this video to see most of the amazing benefits of ginger oil. Making ginger oil is very easy and simple, and it is something that can be done within few minutes. Let's get on with the process of making ginger oil. In this recipe, we'll be needing our ginger and our grater because we'll be grating this ginger this time around. Okay, and then you get on with the work of grating the ginger. This powerful ingredients is packed with antifungal, antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. The health benefits of ginger are mainly for reducing swelling and pain due to arthritis and eczema, helps prevent skin wrinkling, helps in treating inflammation such as knee pain, joint pain and psoriasis. It helps clear respiratory tract, treatment of nausea. It can also be used to treat food poisoning and intestinal infections and management of varicose veins. Ginger oil also have great and powerful benefit for your hair. You'll be amazed to what ginger oil can do to your hair. But before then, let me narrate what is going on in the video. If you notice initially, I was using the small side of the grater to grate my ginger, but I noticed that a lot of water was coming out from the ginger, so I had to turn back to use the other bigger sharp mouth of the grater. So that is what is going on. We're almost done with grating our ginger, and the next process is to infuse it into the oil that we've been using for this remedy. I actually prefer olive oil as my carrier oil. Okay, I prefer olive oil all the time, most of the time, not all the time, most of the time as my carrier oil. So that is what we'll be using for this process. As you can see, I am done with grating of the ginger. Okay, and the next step is to put it inside a container that we'll be infusing it into. Okay, putting all the ginger into it, and then we go on into adding the oil. Adding the oil, as I said earlier, we're going to be adding olive oil into the mixture. Okay, and I didn't measure it. Actually, I didn't measure it because I needed all the ginger to soak down into the olive oil. So I end up using all my olive oil in this video, but it's okay as far as we get what we were looking for. That's the most important thing. You need to make sure that the ginger is properly soaked with the oil. I mean the oil covering up the ginger. Okay, make sure it is properly soaked, and then you leave it in a warm room. Okay, if possible, Leave it close to your window where rays of light could touch it once in a while. Okay, you'll be leaving it for 3 complete days. And after 3 days, you would strain out your oil and your oil is ready to be used. This is after 3 days. As you can see, the color is not the same. Okay, the next thing to do is strain it out and then you're good to go. Ginger oil is good for reducing hair fall. It sends essential nutrients to your follicles like magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamins. It is a powerhouse of Gingeroil that fights damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals lead to unusual hair loss, which can be controlled and managed with ginger oil. Ginger oil also spreads a warm sensation on application and stimulates blood circulation that boosts hair growth. Okay, you know, anything that provides blood circulation on the hair actually boosts the hair. Ginger oil also strengthens the hair shaft and brings thick and dense hair growth. Ginger oil is also great at fighting a stubborn dandruff problem. It has natural antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that get rid of the yeast-like fungus that causes dandruff on the hair. The oil extracted from gingeroil is a well-known natural conditioner. You have no need of harsh chemicals, regular conditioner to make your hair look better. Use ginger oil regularly for healthy and nourished hair. Ginger oil is very powerful. It is extremely powerful. Lest I forget, ginger oil also has very soothing effect on irritated skin. That is, there's some skin you have, and especially those that has dandruff in it, you tend to itch, and after it kind of become painful. Okay, ginger oil can help suit that because it has anti-inflammatory properties that can get rid of scalp pimples. Guys, if you know more health benefits of ginger oil, kindly put in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comment. Thank you so much for staying through this video. Do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share with friends. I will see you in the next video.